Welcome to the Department of Engineering at the University of Basilicata. The University of Basilicata, founded in 1982, is a young and dynamic university, with two campuses, one in Potenza and one in Matera. With approximately 6,000 students and 500 faculty members, the University of Basilicata combines the requirements of a modern university with the quality of human relations typical of a small academic community. The University of Basilicata is ranked among the top 5% of universities in the world for innovation and research. That said, we will be pleased to share our research programs with you and honored to welcome and financially support, through scholarships, the outstanding international students who decide to enroll in the courses offered by our Department of Engineering at the University of Basilicata. Follow us on this journey.
Here at Unibas, you will find 15 bachelor's degrees programs, 20 master's degrees programs, and 5 doctoral schools, distributed across the 5 departments shown on this slide. In the Department of Engineering, 28 scientific disciplinary fields are represented across 5 areas. Each degree program combines rigorous theory with practical activities. Workshops, projects, and laboratories are integrated throughout the curriculum. The final thesis often offers students the opportunity to work on specific research projects with industrial partners from Italian and foreign research groups.
The Department of Engineering has 29 laboratories, some of which are cutting edge in Italy and worldwide for their research equipment. Here, we are inside the Materials and Structures Testing Laboratory, specialized in seismic engineering, structural diagnostics, and health monitoring. About 80 faculty members of the Department of Engineering are involved in many research projects, with a total budget that in 2023 only exceeded 2.5 million euros.
The Department of Engineering, however, also includes other high-tech laboratories that serve as a benchmark for regional development in strategic sectors, such as civil and environmental engineering, industrial and information engineering, hydrogeosphere sciences, and computer science.
Let's now delve deeper into our department's research areas. Data that the department's scientific output is in line with the highest international standards and continuously growing up over time. In particular, engineering is the leading thematic area for number of journal articles published by Unibas researchers in the 2020 to 2024 period. Research is primarily conducted within national and international networks. And in 65% of cases, it leads to the publication of scientific articles. Department students are always involved in research activities and contribute directly to the realization of projects on innovative topics. Each year, we publish the Research Yearbook, a compact and dynamic map that describes the main department's research activities. You can access the 2024 yearbook by scanning the QR code on the screen. This can be a useful tool to help you to know the department and its activities better.
In recent years, the keywords that have best characterized the activities of the Department of Engineering have certainly been applied research, sustainability, community, and innovation. To these 4 keywords, we would like to add another: internationalization.
The fundamental pillars upon which the mission of this department is based are certainly education, research, and the third mission. We have therefore created a modern, open, multidisciplinary structure that certainly focuses on the local area, but also has a vision open to internationalization. As for teaching, of course, the goal we have set is to train researchers and engineers capable of facing the challenges of this century, ranging from environmental sustainability to energy transition and technological innovation. We strongly believe that teaching must necessarily be integrated with quality research. Because, of course, providing academic quality has its foundation in quality research. And for someone who is already leaning towards engineering, well, to them I say that choosing engineering is certainly the right choice. It's an exciting challenge that will lead them to create innovative solutions that can obviously help improve the well-being of the community they live in or will live in. And engineering is not just about technique, but is a vision of the future, creativity, and responsibility.
The University of Basilicata has been investing for years in sustainable development and gender policies. According to the UI Green World University ranking, the University of Basilicata ranks 4th in Italy in 2024 for investment in green policies. In our campuses, over 30% of electricity comes from photovoltaic systems. Studying here means being part of an institution that invests in sustainable development.
Furthermore, the values of sport are central to and characterize our university life. We invest in continuously improving our facility, ensuring access for all students, and in particular, guaranteeing free access to all our international guests. In our gym, you can engage in outdoor and indoor activities, use our sport equipment, and prepare for individual and team sports. This ensures the widest possible participation for all students in our sports activities, which are geared towards competing in national university championships.
So then, why study in Basilicata? Potenza offers accessible services for students and a relatively low cost of living compared to the rest of Italy. Matera, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and European Capital of Culture in 2019, offers exceptional cultural experiences. Potenza and Matera together create a balanced environment favorable for studying and student-friendly. By enrolling at Unibas, you will find an inclusive and welcoming environment. For colleagues from other universities, this means the possibility of starting collaborations and joint activities on topics of common interest. For international students wishing to enroll in one of the department's bachelor's, master's, or doctoral programs, this includes the possibility of full economic support, assistance with the enrollment process, and integration into our university.
Choosing Unibas means living a unique experience in a safe and student-friendly environment with an extremely advantageous professor-to-student ratio.
Join us. Your future awaits you here at Unibas.